Hello everybody, welcome back to Technical Alphas. Today we are going to be creating a login form with Visual Basic Programming Language. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel Technical Alphas for more videos. Yeah, let's get started. First and foremost, open up a folder on your desktop. This is where we're going to be saving our project, and I'm going to call mine login. You can call yours whatever you want. So this is where I'm going to be saving my files. Then open up your Visual Studio. Now Visual Studio, you need Visual Studio 2013 or a later version for you to follow this tutorial. Click new project, then under Visual Basic choose Windows, then Windows Forms application, but don't forget .NET Framework has to be 4, not 4.5. Then rename your project. I'm going to call mine login. Then I'm going to browse, come to desktop where I created my folder, click the folder, then select folder, then you can click OK. So now our project has been formed. So you can adjust this form to the size you want. Come to toolbox. Now this is where I'm going to get all the tools I need. So I'll look for a label. I'm going to be logging in with the username and the password, so I can copy this label, then paste it again for username and password. So the second thing I need is the text box. I copy the text box, I put it here, can adjust it, then copy it again, paste it, put it here. Then I'll need two buttons. I'll need two buttons. Copy the button, bring it, then copy it again, and then put it here. So we rename these. The first button, you come to text, change it. This will be the submit button. So come to the second button, and this will be the cancel button, or the clear. Let me call it the cancel. So come to the labels, change the text of the label. First label is going to be username, and the second is going to be password. So after that, let us name these text boxes. So come down here into design, then come to name the first text box. This one will name it B, then the one for username will name it A. So we also name our buttons. First button we name it CMD submit, and the second one CMD cancel. So if you run this, you'll see how it will be looking like. So this is our simple form with the username, password. So let us go into the coding and make this thing work very well. So double click on the submit button. Then you say if a.text is equal, then you can put a value. Let's say the username is Simon, and B, and has to be the capital A, and B dot text is equal. Let us say the password is 1234, close. Then you say then enter, what should happen. So if the text, if the value of a dot text is Simon and the value of b dot text is 1 2 3 4, so let us invoke a message box. Okay, the message box should say something. You have logged in, comma, message style, message box style, so this should be information, comma, and the title should be success. So after that, after it doing that, let us do the else part. If the value is not what we want it to be, else press enter. Then the message box should say something else. Message box, this should say something else. Wrong details, wrong details entered. So comma, then the message box style, message box style, this should be critical, comma, then the title you want it to have, failure. Okay, so let's run this and see. Our build had some problems. Message box style, let's run this and see. Yes, so our username is Simon, then our password is 1 2 3 4. We press submit, nothing is happening. We have an error somewhere. So let's first remove this. Okay, we run this again and see. Yes, our username is Simon and our password is 1 2 3 4. So if you press submit, you have logged in and the title success is up here, as you can see, and this icon is for information. So let's go back. So if you want to change the icon, here you come and select critical. It depends. Here you can select critical. If you run this again and the values are the same, Simon, and here it says like 1 2 3 4, submit. Now this is the sign for what? For critical. So you cannot put critical for success. That's why I used information. So this one we will keep on using information, not critical. The style is information, and for this one the message style is going to be critical. The message box style, message box type. We use exclamation. Let me first exclamation. The message box type for this one is going to be exclamation, not critical, not what. So the title is going to be failure. So let's run this and see. Let us put something wrong intentionally, and then the password you can put like 0000. Submit. Wrong details. Now this is the icon for exclamation and failure. It's there. So this is how we can create our login form with Visual Basic programming language. So let us add in some few things like the cancel button. We come back to our design, we double click the cancel button. Now this should be closing me.close. To cancel the operation, me.close. So every time you run the program and cancel, you cancel the process. So the next thing you have to do is like before the message box comes, it should disappear. Before the message box comes, the form has to disappear. So let's say like me dot hide, then do like this. We copy this, copy, and then put it for else, Ctrl V. So let's run this and see. So if I put like Simon, then here put like 1 2 3 4, press submit, it disappears, then the message box comes. So this is how you create a login form with Visual Basic programming language. Hope to see you in the next videos. The channel name is Technical Alphas. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.